Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Relish Delish. Today we're going to be making a strawberry lemon granita. This is for all my friends in India who have been complaining about the Indian summer back in India. And this is a cooling dessert and it's very easy to make. Unlike sorbet or any other thing which might need an ice cream maker, this is put together by hand, and then you just need the help of a fork to put it all together. And this dish originates in Sicily in Italy. So like the name suggests, granita, it comes from the same word as granite, which is small rocks or fine rocks. So the texture of this dessert, it will be like small fine particles. It's not a smooth texture like in an ice cream. It can also be compared to a slush which we get in North America, or to the golas which we get in India. So okay, now for making this is going to be a strawberry lemon granita. So I have here about 3 cups of fresh strawberries. And for making these kind of simple recipes, it's always a good idea to go with fresh ingredients. Unlike don't put frozen things, or don't put store-made, store-bought lemonades and things like that. It's always a good idea to use fresh ingredients for your recipe. So now this is 3 cups of fresh strawberries which have been cut, and I've cut off the stems, and it's been washed thoroughly. About 3/4 cups of sugar. I'll be using about 1 cup of water for this, and I'll need juice of 2 lemons. So I already have the juice of 1 lemon over here. I'm going to add 1 more. So I just be juicing 1 more lemon over here. Okay, so I have my blender here. I'm going to put in all the strawberries. The last one doesn't want to come out. The sugar. Okay, some recipes call for making a syrup out of the water and sugar and then adding it to the fruits or the lemon juice, but I don't find any difference in that. This is much easier way, and in any case everything when you blend it, it all goes in together, it blends finely, so it doesn't make a difference. This makes life much easier for you. So I'm going to put in the sugar now. So about 1 cup of water will go in. Now I'm going to strain the lemon juice because there might be some seeds in it. We don't want any seeds in our granita. Alright, so I'm going to blend everything together, and then I'll come back and show you what's done next. Okay, looks like this is now blended completely. So I'm going to pour this into this is a glass jar that I had kept it ready. This will go into the freezer. So now I'm going to put it here. Taking out all the last juicy bits. Now at this stage, if you need, you can add a pinch of salt to this. That's optional, and you just mix it up well, and then you pop it into the freezer uncovered. You don't cover this up. After 30 minutes you will bring it out, and with a fork you just mix it up like this, and you do that for at least 2 or 3 times, so that total freezing time for this is about 4 hours. So you do it about 3 to 4 times the mixing. And that's very important that you do it, because otherwise it will become like rock hard, and it will be very hard for you to, it will become very challenging for you to mix it up with a fork. So that's what you need to do. I'm going to pop this up in the freezer. And we'll come back after 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 30-35 minutes now. I took this out of the freezer. Now as you can see, on the edges it's becoming hard, but in the center here it's still soft. So that's the texture that you want in the first stage. So I'm just going to mix this all up with the help of a fork. You don't want any of those hard particles to be forming, so you just break it up. Just so. If you find anything hard, then you just soften it and stir it up like this with your fork. And that's it. I'm going to put this back into the freezer for another hour or so, and then keep on doing this, like I said, between 3 to 4 times, and I'll show you at the end of 4 hours how this will look like. This has been about 4 hours in the freezer. In between, I took it out 3 more times in between, and I stirred it with a fork. Now, as you can see, this is like crushed ice, but actually it's strawberry and lemon. I have got a margarita glass over here. This is the perfect serving bowl for this kind of a dish, this kind of a dessert. I'm going to scoop some in here. Just like so. And I'm going to garnish it with the lemon peel. So here, strawberry lemon granita. I'm going to just taste this now. Just can't wait to taste this. It's a perfect blend of strawberries, lemon juice. It's so refreshing, the perfect thing to have on a hot summer day. I hope all my friends from India will love this, and from everywhere else. So this is granita. You can make it anytime. This is with strawberry and lemon, but you can make it with any fruit of your choice, any summer fruits. Enjoy. The detailed recipe can be found on my website www.relishdelish.ca. Thank you and God bless.